All right, folks, here at Phoenix Hot Tubs, and I think it's about that time. Tyler!
About time for another one of our helpful spa breakdowns.
This is the Getaway Bar Harbor SE.
All right, guys, so in the Bar Harbor SE, this is a part of our Getaway series, so you will see the more textured non-slip finish. That is the polyethylene. It's called a roto mold. It's a very interesting build process. You can see a how it's made video on our Master Spas link as well. It'll be awesome. Now, breaking down this tub, since it is a 110, you don't need a 50 amp breaker. You don't even need a 20 amp breaker. This will plug into a standard home outlet, making the install very simple. This is a one filter system. It does use our O3 mineral system and our Eco Charge inside of there. That cuts down on the chemicals quite a bit. You'll see the mostly 1 inch jetting throughout. We have a couple 3 inchers in here. The ozone is located down here. You do have your one LED light down the bottom side. Around the top side is the cup holders. You have the waterfall located directly above the filter. You have your diverter valve over there, and then you have your air dials located throughout the spa as well. You will see the headrest attached here. This is available in a couple different color options. Right now I'm sitting in the sea salt. The Pebble Beach is more of a dark gray color, but you can see this is pretty spacious, so you could fit 4 people comfortably in here. It is technically a 5-seater, but you could fit 3 to 4 people in here very nicely. Hey Brian, I think it's about that time. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for coming to another one of our helpful videos here at Phoenix Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. Please follow, like, subscribe. We've got some more stuff coming for you.